Motorola is making waves in the tech world by finally beginning the rollout of stable Android 16, and this is a significant moment for fans of the brand. Here's the scoop. Android 16 is now making its way to select Motorola smartphones, with the Edge 60 Pro and Edge 50 Fusion being the first lucky recipients of this much-anticipated update. This new software version promises a host of exciting enhancements, including a more expressive design, improved security measures against harmful applications, and greater transparency regarding background activities. While Samsung has recently initiated the rollout of One UI 8, which is based on Android 16, to its Galaxy S25 series, Motorola is not lagging behind. The company is also stepping up to deliver this latest Android experience to its users. Want to stay updated with the latest from Android Authority? Make sure to set us as your preferred source in Google search to never miss out on our exclusive reports and expert insights. Currently, the stable version of Android 16 is being distributed to specific Motorola devices. The first two models to receive this update are the Motorola Edge 60 Pro and the Edge 50 Fusion. However, it's important to note that this rollout is taking place in select markets for now, specifically in Brazil for the Edge 60 Pro and Mexico for the Edge 50 Fusion. This phased approach suggests that Motorola is being cautious, likely to ensure a smooth transition before expanding the update to a wider audience. The size of the update is approximately 2 GB for the Edge 60 Pro and around 1.54 GB for the Edge 50 Fusion. For those interested in the technical details, the firmware version for the Edge 60 Pro is W1VV36H.7-21-5, while the Edge 50 Fusion is receiving W1UU36H.21-14-3. According to the changelog, this update introduces several noteworthy improvements. Users can expect a more expressive design, enhanced defenses against malicious apps, increased transparency regarding background activities, and better compatibility with LE audio devices. Interestingly, the changelog does not mention some of the other features that Android 16 is known for, such as live updates and intelligent notification grouping. This omission might be due to Motorola's tendency to keep their changelogs concise, but it's reasonable to assume that these features are included in the update despite not being explicitly listed. After months of beta testing, it's refreshing to see Motorola finally rolling out Android 16. It will be interesting to observe how quickly the company can extend this update to additional devices and markets. What do you think about Motorola's approach to the Android 16 rollout? Are you excited to see these updates on your device, or do you think they could have done better? Share your thoughts in the comments below.